things you only learn in a storm. Some were with you when you were born. They're in you right from the start. From the start. Well, if it's live or die, I'll live forever. I'll take the world. Tonight is now or never. Not afraid to fight. Ooh, this is my time to rise. Rise.
I've been asked many times, how did you know he was the one? And I always struggle for what to say because there's no words that can explain and no numbers that can measure my love for you. I knew that you were the one because I felt it. Our love is rare, unforgiving, exciting, emotional, raw, and pure. When I'm with you, the world stops and the concept of time doesn't exist. Minutes turn into seconds and days turn into hours. I take you exactly as you are and offer myself in return. As our two hearts become one, I vow to love you, encourage you, trust you, respect you, and grow with you through thick and thin, sickness and in health. From this day forward, and all the days of my life, I love you, Bree.
I'll live forever. It's now or never. And when it's live or die, I'll live forever. Hey, yeah. I'll live forever. When it's live or die, I'll live forever.
I vow to be always the best version of myself for you. I vow to accomplish everything on our bucket lists together. I vow to be there for you through the good and bad. I vow to be your honey always. I can't believe it is almost the time that I will get to see you walk down the aisle. I know you are going to look so beautiful. I'm so excited for us, honey. We got this. There are no words or numbers to describe how much I love you.
I have to be